What is up, everyone? This is Gospel here from Serene Arts. So in this video I'm going to show you two websites that can help you to up your game as a graphic designer, right? So without much ado, let's jump into it. So the first website that we are going to use is flaticon.com, right? So when you come to this website, which is flaticon.com, you can equally search for any item at all you want, all right, and you get it in PNG form, right? So this website will present you with a lot of icons that you want for your work. So let's say you want to search for icon like, let's say, phone, right? So we'll just search for phone and let's see what will show up as the result. So we have about 76,000 plus phone icons showing up right here. Okay, so yours is to just browse through it and select the one that best suits your work. Okay, so all these images, they are in PNG format, meaning you can download them without the background, right? So let me just pick up one as an example. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this call icon and I'm going to download it straightforward. So let me just download it and let's see how I can use it. So I'm going to open it in my PixelLab application. So let's see. I'm going to import it right now like this. Okay, so you can see it has come as a PNG image, meaning you can use it in your graphic works, especially if you are UI designer, that is user interface designer. You actually need this website, which is flaticon.com. You need it so that you can get images or icons that you can use in your design, as UI designers really need these resources for their work. Now the second website I'm going to show you is 𝒕𝒖𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒔. Now this website will help you with stuff related to your color usage, right? So let's go to the website and see how best we can use it. So this is the website, and when you go to this website, all that you have to do is to type in a search bar the project that you want to work on. Let's say you want to work on wedding card or whatsoever, you just have to type it over here. So I'm going to go with wedding, and colors related to wedding will pop up right here. Okay, so I just typed wedding and these are the colors related to wedding stuff. So you can just pick one of these colors available over here, or even pick the color code and use it in your design. But it's not by force that you should use all the colors available. Just pick one that will work best for your work, right? So basically these are two websites that you need to have in your arsenal as a graphic designer. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel, right? So check out the video showing on your screen for the next updates.